Ingredients and containers. Dough for pancake. Butter. A bag of milk. Strawberries. 3 bananas in apple. A frying pan. Dishes. Spoons and a cup. My name is Juan David.
My name is Laura.
My name is Este.
Today we want to share delicious recipe for you to share to family and friends.
Come with us.
This and the stuff. Mix the mixture and about and milk and
Tablespoon paint and a lake of mystery.
and
Sugar.
Apply the oil on pan for a light of the mixture.
This cooks may temper and wave their pancake are grander brown.
We're going to add banana, strawberry, and apple.
Then decorate.
Additional the use to speculate about what might happen, what may have happened again with what like to happen. Second conditional. Tan conditional these two events that could happen but not necessarily happen. If at high money, I go trap alarm and the word conditional. I so called conditional of pretending or impossible conditional. Speak of something that had happened in the past conditional and a certain result. Consequent but in reality did not occur.
I've Robert as a study during the course. He would have approved the test. Conditional I is used. We'll talk about certain or probably events that will occurring in the future. If you ate while you were grown age.
Second condition, tan con this notice. These two events